The DJI Mic Mini versus the DJI Mic Mini 2. Should you even upgrade your microphone? And if you want to know the answer to that question, you're going to have to watch the video to the end. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and begin the video now. Alrighty, so for starters, I'm plugged in with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and the DJI Mic Mini 2. And I'm plugged in with the DJI Action 5 Pro and the DJI Mic Mini Original. And in this video, we're going to be doing a series of tests, testing both the DJI Mic Mini 2 and the Mic Mini in a different type of scenarios in different settings. So let's go ahead and begin the video now. Alrighty, so for starters, this is what I sound like with the DJI Mic Mini 2. And as you can hear, we have noise cancellation on at the moment in time. The biggest way to be able to notify and understand if that is on is if you do see the yellow light sort of in the corner. So as an example right over here, the yellow light is indeed on. So meaning that we do have noise cancellation. There is a little bit of a tractor in the background. This is what I sound like with the DJI Mic Mini 2. Let's go ahead and switch over to the DJI Mic Mini. Alrighty, and now we are on the DJI Mic Mini Original. If you can already kind of tell, the differences are really small, minuscule. I would have to say the Mic Mini 2 is like marginally a little better, but it's so unobvious that you'd probably be okay with the DJI Mic Mini. Preface to as well, noise cancellation is on with the Mic Mini Original 2 as well. And much like the Mic Mini 2, you're able to understand and indicate and know about that. It's hard to tell, but if you see the yellow light right over there. So to preface again, we are on the DJI Mic Mini and we are currently on noise cancellation mode on. And as previously mentioned before, there's a bit of a tractor in this like little park we're here in Richmond Hill. Yeah, it's a pretty nice day today, and this is what I sound like with the DJI Mic Mini over here on the Action 5 Pro. Alrighty, so now that we tested both microphones, you can kind of hear the difference between the two microphones at this moment in time. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn off noise cancellation for both microphones. So let's go ahead and try that out now. And in order to be able to do that, you actually just double tap on the power button, I believe, and it should eliminate noise cancellation. Alrighty, to kind of switch it up, this is what I sound like with the DJI Mic Mini Original with the noise cancellation off. The tractor is going off and there's a lot of like outdoor noises that we're currently experiencing right now. So let me know if you do hear any differences between noise cancellation being on or off with the DJI Mic Mini Original. Do note that this microphone again is just overall a great microphone and you really can't go wrong. It's still going to be very good quality here in the year of 2026. So regardless of which mic you do end up getting, you will be fine at the end of the day. Okay, so that kind of took a little bit of a second there, but for whatever reason with the DJI Mic Mini 2 here, I wasn't able to go on noise cancellation off unless I was here on the DJI Action 5 Pro. I do have the mobile transmitter to connect with the Ace Pro 2 and it just for whatever reason didn't allow me to go to noise cancellation off mode. But anyway, this is what I sound like with the DJI Mic Mini 2 with the noise cancellation mode off over here on the DJI Action 5 Pro. The tractor is moving as it has been throughout the whole entire video, and then there's also bird chirping and outdoor noises that you would honestly expect normally from being outside. Fact of the matter, when you have noise cancellation on, regardless of whether or not it's the Mic Mini to the Mic Mini 2, it's going to sound better with noise cancellation on, so always do keep that in mind. In terms of overall audio quality, the Mic 2 kind of wins marginally, but if you were to ask me if you were to need to upgrade, I don't think you have to actually upgrade if you do have pre-existingly the Mic Mini, or if you want to save a little bit of money, the Mic Mini is going to be a very good quality and cheaper option in terms of pairing between the Mic Mini and the Mic Mini 2. But since I am kind of like a review style content creator and YouTuber, I think it's best for me to try as many products as possible so I can provide the valuable information for all of you guys in the audience and all that jazz. But yeah, that's kind of what we sound like with noise cancellation being off, and that's the difference. But first, let's talk about NordVPN. So I know when I want to browse the internet, I want to feel safe and protected, and the best way to be able to do that is to use NordVPN. Password encryption protection and malware protection all in one platform to keep everything safe and secure while you're browsing the internet is definitely a plus on my end over here. And if I want to use Netflix over in the Philippines, I could have access to a variety of different shows that I wouldn't have access to otherwise here in Canada. So I think that's a plus and great with NordVPN. And two as well, if I want to use in China as an example, I could use all my applications nice and safely and secure, and I can just stay safe from malware activities overall. So if you want to get your hands on NordVPN, you can get access to summer sales, which are currently live as we speak right now. You can click the link in the description or the link in the comment section, or check out, I believe, nordvpn.com/Dominic. So definitely do check that out, and let's go ahead and return back to the regular scheduled video. Alrighty, so for reference, we are back on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 along with noise cancellation and the DJI Mic Mini 2. This is going to be your GOAT. This is what you're going to be one in terms of settings. It's going to sound the best and all that. Now, this is what I'm going to sound like with just the base audio quality here on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. To be fair, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has fantastic internal bass best audio quality, so we'll check it out with the DJI Action 5 Pro 2 as well. But ultimately speaking, you do hear a bit of a difference. I don't know if there's going to be much because I am relatively close to the camera here, but whenever you do have any chance whatsoever, if you want the best audio quality possible as a kind of creator or just like for memorabilia in general, if it's not inconvenient for you, I would always recommend using a microphone because it's just going to take your audio quality to the next level, and that's what's going to make everything the best. So these are the differences. Alrighty, so here we are once again on the DJI Action 5 Pro, and we do have the original mic mini set up right over here connected to the Action 5 Pro without a receiver. I don't think I mentioned that yet, but now you know. If you haven't known already, if you do have a DJI mic mini or a mic mini 2 or any DJI microphone, you can auto connect with any DJI camera, whether it's the Pocket series, the Action series, or the Nano without a receiver, so that's very convenient. But otherwise, yeah, we're back here on the mic mini with noise cancellation on, and then we're gonna go ahead and test the audio of the base camera, and let me know if you do hear a difference. And my guess is you'll definitely hear a difference for sure. So let's go ahead and switch now. Alrighty, so here we are with the base audio quality and the DJI Action 5 Pro. Insta360 in terms of the Ace Pro 2 is kind of the GOAT in terms of internal microphone, but now that we have the microphone over with the Action 5, it's not bad, but you can obviously hear a difference regardless if it's the mic mini or the mic mini 2, and then the internal camera audio quality. So again, as previously mentioned before, you should always have a microphone if you want the best audio quality possible. I think that's fundamental fact of the matter, but the base audio quality for both of these cameras, to be frank, isn't necessarily bad at all. If you want to get a little more serious, I'd recommend a microphone, but if you don't have it too, it's fine. Alrighty, so as a final test here, we're currently looking over in the Ace Pro 2 from a far distance with the DJI mic mini 2, and this is what I sound like. Transferring over, we are on the DJI Action 5 Pro with the DJI mic mini original. This is what I sound like from super far. Either way, you're going to sound great from afar. Let me know if you hear a marginal difference. Again, I think there's a difference in a slight increase in quality with the mic mini 2, but it's so small and slim that you'll be okay with the mic mini. But let me know. This is what I sound like with both from afar. All right, so in classic Dominic Ong YouTube channel fashion here, we're going to do a little bit of a walk and talk, and we're going to talk about, is it worth it to upgrade to the DJI mic mini 2 when you already have the DJI mic mini, or just to get the mic mini 2 versus the mic mini in general? So in my honest opinion, the differences are very marginal. They're super small, and you're going to get great, fantastic audio quality with the mic mini at half the cost. So if budget's an issue, then yeah, I would just get the mic mini, and then you will be okay and set and ready to go at the end of the day. But if you're looking for marginally just a little bit better audio quality, then yeah, go ahead and upgrade to the mic mini 2. It makes sense in my case, so you just have to make it sort of make sense in your case too as well. But ultimately speaking, the differences are heard per se. If that's something you want to do, then get the mic mini 2. And to be fair though, if you already have the transmitter and transponder, it's not too expensive to get the mic mini 2, which is why I bought it upon myself using my own money. This isn't a sponsored video from DJI or anything like that. Yeah, I think the upgrade makes sense for me, but it has to make sense for you, and that's for you to decide. So with all that being said, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and peace.